Hey guys, wagwan, it's your girl Shanice. Welcome back to Jamaican Cuisine. If you're new, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Jammin' family. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how I made these delicious lamb shoulders that I served with some shrimp fried rice and some sauteed cabbage. For this recipe, you can substitute the lamb racks for the lamb shoulder or any other cut of the lamb, or you could even use steak. It's still gonna be delicious, guys. And as usual, all the ingredients will be down below in the description box for you guys. Let's jump right into the recipe. So to our hot skillet, we're gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of oil. So while our oil is heating up, we're gonna go ahead and season our meat. I added a little bit of oil just to ensure that the seasoning spread out, evenly. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add a tablespoon of my Jamaican Jerk Seasoning. We're also going to go ahead and add around a teaspoon of Kosher Salt. Then I added a tablespoon of garlic powder, and we're going to repeat the same process on the other side. So let's go ahead and rub it all in our lamb and turn it around and season the other side. And guys, as usual, please feel free to use whatever seasonings you have on hand or whatever you prefer. Make this recipe your own. Now to our nice hot skillet, we're going to add our lamb shoulders, and you want to ensure that they're not too close together because we're not steaming them. We want a perfectly brown sear on the outside. And the cooking time really depends on how well you like your lamb done. It also depends on how large and thick your chops are. If you're going for a medium rare, normally the internal temperature should range anywhere from 120 to 135 Fahrenheit. So I seared my shoulder chops 3.5 minutes per side. I just dropped 4 cloves of garlic into my pan. You can add whatever herbs you like, rosemary, thyme, all that goodness. And then I'm just putting my shoulder chops on the side to sort of render the fat that's on the sides. This is very important, guys. This is gonna add tons of flavor. Also, you want that fat to be cooked. I'm just making a little sauce to add to my shoulder chops. I went in with a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and I added around 2 tablespoons of A.1 sauce, and I'm using the bold and spicy A.1 sauce. To that, I'm also gonna add around 2 tablespoons of honey, and I'm just gonna mix that in really well. This point, my flame is off, but the lamb chops are still cooking, because the pan is still very hot. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and add this compound butter that I made at home. It is consists of thyme, parsley, and rosemary. So we're just gonna baste our lamb shoulders with this delicious butter. You want to ensure that you baste. These are looking beautiful, smelling delicious. And once we add that sauce, guys, that is it. Now we're just gonna pour our delicious sauce all over our lamb shoulders. And we're just gonna baste our lamb shoulders in this delicious sauce. We want to ensure that every single piece is covered in this sauce. And you guys could use the grill or even the oven for this recipe. Guys, I ended up turning my flame back on for around 40 seconds just to get that sauce a little warmed up and a little thicker. And yeah, that is it, guys. This is how we're looking. This is our lamb shoulder chops. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please try it out and let me know. Try it with your steak or your rack of lamb. And thank you guys so much for the continued support, all the love. You guys are the best. If you're not yet subscribed, please remember to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and the bell. You guys walk good and stay safe. Until next time.